Welcome everybody to Split, beautiful Croatia coastline. Glorious weather here for the Croatia Boat Show. I'm going to show you around what we do here, show you around the stand. Welcome to this episode of Highfield Boats TV. So I'm sat on the Sport 800. Look at the backdrop here at Split. Look at that. Mountains, amazing scenery. Beautiful, beautiful coastline. 760 going past us there on the journalist test. Come with me. We'll take you into the marina by sea. Show you around. So we're heading into Split now. It's a big, big harbour, lots of protection. You can see we've got the Seven Seas Splendor cruise ship on here, and we've got one of the main hubs here for the national ferry carrier. So Split Harbour, then these ferries interconnect all of the offshore islands. And remember, there are 1,200 islands here on the Croatian coastline. 1,200. Really is one of the most picturesque waterfront boat shows that you'll ever have the pleasure of visiting. So welcome everybody to the Croatia Boat Show here in Split. It's a nice way to enter the show. Such picturesque waterfront here at Split. It really is typically Adriatic, beautiful, amazing architecture. So here we are on the Highfield stand. We've got a couple of boats out on demo at the moment. We've got our hardtop Patrol 760, standard T-top 760, Sport 800. Got some space in here for two more boats that are out at the moment. We'll talk to you about it later on. Stand up there, all the team is here. Let's take you around the show, give you a bit of an idea of the atmosphere of this small but very intimate Croatia Boat Show. So the Polaris here, the Polaris has now been converted into a restaurant and a bar. But the history of the Polaris, she worked as a tugboat in the US, and then she came over to Southampton in the UK, and she worked as a tug in Southampton water. So she's got a long and hard-working history, and now she's been converted into this beautiful floating restaurant here. Croatia holds 30% of the global charter fleet. 30% of the entire world's charter boats are here, so there's an awful lot of focus on charter boats at every boat show in Croatia. We will take you for a walk along one of the catamaran pontoons now, just to give you an idea of where Highfield is positioned as a tender supplier to these major brands. Bally, Front End, Lagoon, all of those key brands use Highfield as their tender supplier. So we're on the other side of Split Harbour now into the other marina. A lot of catamarans here, a lot of charter boats here, some of the bigger motor cruisers here. And this will just give you an idea of our strength as a brand in this area, highlighted here in front of all of our boat show traffic, all of our future customers. So we've got a big lagoon here with nice Highfield classic tender, Honda powered, coming forwards here. Another Highfield tender that looks like a Orca Hyperlon Classic 290. Coming further forward, I can speed this up because it's going to take a while, but this will highlight to you guys our strength in this sector of the market. So this entire mixed fleet, mixed operator, this entire line of charter catamarans choose Highfield boats as their tender. That gives you an idea of durability. That means that they trust us, they trust our brand, they trust our product. So in the back of this Benetosianis, we've got a Highfield roll-up, you can see there in the tender garage. Front End Pajot is one of our major catamaran brands we're very proud to supply, and you see here a nice classic FCT with its Honda 20 on the davits there. And our European partnership with Honda Marine is shown here. Our relationship with Fred Bobeck and his team continues to gain in strength. So very often while we're at boat shows, we know that we have journalists in one place, and it's very much easier for us to set up a journalist photo shoot, which is what we're doing here with, this is Valnautica magazine from Slovenia. Dane out there on the Patrol 760, so we maximize everything. Boat shows aren't just about showing the public our boats. Boat shows are about showing the press our boats. So this Patrol 760 Honda BF 250 T-top, jet black, looks absolutely superb, rides beautifully. What a great boat that is. great backdrops, really nice backdrops for photo shooting, for image work, blue seas. Look at that 760 go. Such a clean hull, such a clean hull. So here we go. The journalist is now going to transfer onto the 760. He's going to go off and do his test.